everyone, and welcome back to English Explained, where learning English is easy, fun, and useful for your real life. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Hey everyone! It's great to have you here again. How are you doing today, Emma?
I'm doing great, Jack. I had a nice walk this morning, and I even made myself breakfast instead of ordering food. I feel productive already.
Wow, that's impressive. I just had coffee and half a muffin. But I'm awake, so that counts, right?
It definitely counts. So, Jack, are you excited about today's topic?
Oh, yes. It's a topic everyone deals with every single day. Money.
That's right. Today we're going to talk about money. How to talk about it in English, how to save it, how to plan it, and even how to make smarter choices.
Because let's be honest, money can be tricky. We all love spending it, but we don't always love thinking about where it goes.
Exactly. But by the end of this episode, you'll know lots of easy English words and expressions to talk about money, and some smart tips to save it too.
Sounds good. But before we start, let's remind our amazing listeners about something important.
Yes, if you enjoy our English conversations, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to English Explained, and share it with your friends. It helps us a lot and keeps our channel growing.
Thanks, everyone. Now, Emma, shall we start talking about money?
Let's do it.
Okay, so let's begin with something simple. We all use money every day. We buy food, pay rent, get a bus ticket, maybe buy coffee.
Yes, that's called spending money. When you give money to get something, you spend it.
So when I buy coffee in the morning, I spend money on coffee.
Exactly. And we also earn money. That's the money we receive from our job or business.
So I earn money when I work, and I spend money when I buy things.
Right. Easy, isn't it?
I like this. But here's something people sometimes forget. Not everything we spend money on is important.
You're leading us perfectly to our next topic, needs and wants. So, Jack, do you know the difference between needs and wants?
I think so. Needs are things I must have, and wants are things I would like to have, right?
Perfect. Needs are essential. Things like food, water, clothes, a home, medicine, or transportation.
And wants are things that make life more fun, like new shoes, video games, or a big screen TV.
Exactly. Let me give an example. You need clothes to stay warm, but you want a designer jacket that costs $200.
I think I have both. Some I need, and some I just wanted too much.
We all do, Jack. It's okay to have wants. The key is to know the difference.
That's true. Because if I mix them up, I might spend too much money on things that don't really matter.
Exactly. Understanding your needs and wants is the first step to managing your money wisely.
Alright, so what's next?
Let's talk about a budget.
That word again. A budget sounds serious.
It does, but it's actually your best friend when it comes to money. A budget is just a plan for your money.
A plan for my money? I like that.
It shows how much money comes in and how much goes out.
Okay. Money in means what I earn. Money out means what I spend.
You got it. For example, your salary is money in. Your rent, food, and bills are money out.
Sounds simple enough. So how do I make a budget?
Easy. You can use a notebook, a piece of paper, or even your phone. Just make 2 columns, one for money in and one for money out.
And then I write down everything I earn and everything I spend?
Exactly. Every small thing counts, even that $2 snack.
Oh no, I think I buy too many $2 snacks.
That's why writing them down helps. When you see your spending clearly, you can make better choices.
So, a budget is like a mirror. It shows me what's really going on with my money.
I love that. Yes, a mirror for your money.
So, after I write everything down, what do I do next?
Then you track your expenses. Tracking means checking where your money goes every week or month.
Okay, so I can see if I'm spending more on wants than needs.
Exactly. And if you notice you're spending too much in one area, you can adjust.
Adjust. That means change a little, right?
Yes. For example, if you spend too much on takeout food, maybe cook at home a few days instead.
That's a good idea. I guess small changes can make a big difference.
They really can. Saving $3 a day might not sound like much, but in 1 month, that's almost $100.
Whoa, that's a new pair of shoes. Or better, money for my savings account.
Speaking of savings, let's talk about how to save money.
Great. I always want to save money, but somehow it disappears every month.
That happens to a lot of people, but saving doesn't have to be hard.
I'm listening.
Step 1, decide your saving goal.
A saving goal?
Yes, a goal gives your saving a reason. For example, maybe you want to buy a new phone or take a trip or save for your future.
Ah, so it's easier to save when I know why I'm saving.
Exactly. For me, my goal is a trip to Italy next summer.
Nice. Mine might be a new laptop. My old one sounds like a plane taking off every time I open it.
Then that's your motivation.
Okay, I've got my goal. What's next?
Step 2, pay yourself first.
What does that mean?
It means when you get paid, you save some money before spending on other things.
Oh, I usually do the opposite. I spend first and save what's left, which is usually nothing.
Exactly. But if you save first, even a small amount like $20 a week, you'll be surprised how it grows.
That makes sense. Save first, spend later.
Perfect.
Any other tricks?
Sure. Cook at home, make a shopping list. Avoid impulse buying. That means don't buy things suddenly just because they look nice.
Oh, that's hard, especially when I see new headphones.
We've all been there. But remember, every dollar you don't spend on something small brings you closer to your big goal.
Okay, give us more fun ways to save.
All right. One fun way is to use a piggy bank or a jar.
A piggy bank. I had one as a kid.
Me too. But adults can use them too. Every night, put your coins or small bills in it.
It sounds simple, but I bet it adds up fast.
It really does. You can even name your jar, like vacation jar or laptop fund.
I love that idea. It makes saving feel more personal and fun.
Yes, and every time you drop a coin, you're a little closer to your dream.
Okay, I'm definitely starting one tonight.
Good for you. Let's quickly review what we learned today.
Sure. Step 1. Understand the difference between needs and wants.
Step 2. Make a simple budget and track your money in and money out.
Step 3. Find small, smart ways to save money.
Step 4. Int. Have a saving goal to keep you motivated.
And step 5. Make it fun. Use a piggy bank or savings jar to watch your money grow.
Perfect summary. Before we finish, let's review some easy English words from today.
Great idea. Spend. To use money to buy something. Earn. To get money by working. Budget. A plan for your money. Save. To keep money for the future. Needs. Things you must have. Wants. Things you'd like to have. Goal. Something you want to achieve. Expense. Money you spend. Income. Money you receive. Piggy bank. A small container for saving money.
Excellent. These are great words for daily conversation.
And remember, you can practice using them in sentences like, I spend too much on snacks. I'm saving for a trip. My rent is my biggest expense.
Beautiful examples, Jack. And now, it's your turn.
Yes. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below.
Tell us, what is one thing you do to save money? Or what's your saving goal for this year?
Maybe you're saving for a car, a trip, or something special. Share it with us. Writing in English helps you practice too.
Exactly. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode if you found it useful.
Your support really helps our channel grow.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Yes, thanks for spending your time, and not too much of your money, with us.
Until next time, everyone.
Goodbye.